The lima bean is mild and nutty with a soft texture once cooked. If you need to replace them in a recipe, try fava beans. They're a flat, green legume that have a similar shape and nutty flavor. Keep in mind favas are a little more bitter but are less starchy. They are delicious added to salads, succotash, or baked in a sauce and served as a side. Soybeans will also make a handy replacement for limas in your next meal. They are popular with vegans and vegetarians thanks to their versatility and nutritional value. Soybeans have a subtle flavor and enticing nutty aroma, making them ideal for chowders, baked dishes, braised food, and hot pots. Chickpeas, or garbanzo beans, are a lot like limas, in that they don't have a strong, beany flavor. A benefit of cooking with chickpeas is that they hold their shape extremely well. Edamame beans are the fresh, young version of the soybean. They are picked early and are popularly steamed in their pods. If you need to replace limas in a bean salad, then the edamame is a great backup option. They have a texture that's firmer than a pea, but softer and less starchy and grainy than a lima. Red kidney beans are useful for replacing lima beans if you want more flavor in your dish. These reddish-brown legumes have a nutty flavor with a firm texture, ideal for slow cooking. They're excellent added to Brunswick stew, chili beans, soups, and Creole recipes. Cannellini beans are a common ingredient that is meaty and earthy. They work in salads, stews, and chili, while Italian cooking often uses them in minestrone. Navy beans are small legumes, also called Boston or haricot beans. If the recipe you're making is baked beans, these are a delectable choice. Their mild, creamy flavor pairs well with hot spices and tomato sauce. Quinoa is a seed from the quinoa plant. It may not have a similar taste or texture as lima beans, but it's a good backup for anyone with legume allergies. Use quinoa in salads or add bulk to your next stew.